Hey y'all, it's 12 o'clock here. Welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. So today I want to give you a little trick about thin wall sockets. Something that's helped me out through the years when you get into a situation like we did on this cage, where this bolt in here, the head of that is a 19 millimeter, and this is a 19 millimeter, but the socket doesn't fit in the area that you're provided, you know, where the bolt is. But you have to get a 19 millimeter in there. There's no other way to do it. So what you can do is actually take a socket you don't care about and take a grinder and actually grind the edge off. So if you have a bench grinder like this, you can just take a socket you don't care about and grind the outside wall off of that just a little bit. And after you take some material off, it'll actually fit in there. Let me show you. So after you take a little material off like that, this is kind of what it'll look like. It doesn't look very pretty. Here's two of them that I did, because I had to get one on each side of this at the same time. But there they are, and they worked. So I just took the material off the outside, and now this is a 19 millimeter that fits inside there. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that'll help you out in the future. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.